Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve next model problems. Use the formula integral 1 by a square plus x square into dx equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. The problems is evaluate integral 1 by 9 plus x square. Let's see the next problems. Here the first one is integral 1 by 9 ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 3 square into x square dx. Use the formula integral 1 by a square plus x square. Here a equal to 3, that equal to 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x by 3 plus c. 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x by 3 plus c. ఇక్కడ ఏమని రాయొచ్చు 16ని 4 square, that equal to 1 by 4 into tan inverse of x by 4. 81 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు 9 square, 1 by 9 into tan inverse of x by 9 plus c. And fourth one is ఇక్కడ x square కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి x square కోఎఫిషియంట్ కామన్ చేయాలి, that equal to ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by 2 కామన్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది 3 plus x square into dx, that equal to 1 by 2 constant term take in front of the integration, that is 1 by 2 into 3 ని ఏమని రాయొచ్చు √3 whole square plus x square into dx. Here we have the formula integral 1 by a square plus x square dx equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a equal to ఏముంది √3, that equal to 1 by √3 into tan inverse of x by √3 plus c, that equal to 2 into √3 2 √3, 1 by 2 √3 into tan inverse of x by √3 plus c is answer of this problem. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏం కామన్ తీయాలి సేమ్ 2 కామన్ తీయండి. ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ 1 by 2x square plus 7 into dx, that equal to 1 by take 2 common, that is x square plus 7 by 2 into dx. Here 1 by 2 is the constant term, take in front of the integration, 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x square plus 7 by 2 ని ఏలకు రాయాలి అంటే √7 by 2 whole square into d, complete root, square root get cancel, √7 by 2. Here we have the formula integral 1 by x square plus a square equal to a square plus x square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here already we have 1 by 2 into 1 by a, that is 1 by √7 by √2 into tan inverse of x by a. X by a equal to √7 by √2 plus c. ఈ √2 కాస్త న్యూమరేటర్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఈ √2 కాస్త న్యూమరేటర్, that is √2 by 2 into 7 into tan inverse of x by √2x by √7 plus c. ఈ 2 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు √2 into √2 get cancelled. Already we have √7 into √2. Here we have √a into √b equal to √ab, that is equal to √2 into √7 equal to √2 into 7, that is √14, that equal to 1 by √14 into tan inverse of √2x by √7 plus c is the answer of this problem. And already we done these problems. 4 అయిపోయింది, 5 అయిపోయింది, 1 అయిపోయింది, అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 3 కామన్ తీయండి, ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్గా వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ 3 కామన్. యూ కెన్ సాల్వ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, దట్ ఈస్ 1 2 3 4. And next formula, integral 1 by a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x by a minus x plus c, that equal to, you can solve first problem, that is 1 by 4 minus x square into dx equal to 1 by 2 square minus x square into dx. Here we have the formula 1 by 2a, already a equal to 2, 2 into 2 log of mod a plus x, where a equal to 2, 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c, that equal to 1 by 2 to the 4 log of remaining problem, log of 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c. Next problem, 1 by 36 minus x square into dx. 36 name and rasam 6 square, here a equal to 6. Substitute the a value in above formula, you will get the answer. And next formula, integral 1 by x square minus a square into dx equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Here we have two formulas, two problems, that is we can solve first one or second one. First one is 1 by 9x square minus 4 into dx. Here x square coefficient undi, ekkadaina x square coefficient common tiyali kabatti integral 1 by x square coefficient common tiste 9 into x square minus 4 by 9 into dx. Here 1 by 9 is the coefficient, take in front of the integration, that is 1 by 9 into integral 1 by x square minus 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square into dx, that equal to 1 by 9 into, here we have the formula, integral 1 by x square minus a square equal to 1 by 2a, here a equal to 2 by 3 into log of mod x minus a equal to 2 by 3 by log of x plus 3 into 2 by 3 plus c. Here 3 కాస్త న్యూమరేటర్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, that is 3 by 9 into 4, 3 by 9 into 4 by log of mod, take the LCM, LCM is 3, 3x minus 2 by 3 by 3x plus 2 by 3 plus c. Here 3 1s are 3 3s are, that equal to 1 by 3 4s are 12 into log of 3 3 get cancelled, mod 3x minus 2 by 3x plus 2 plus c is the answer of this problem. Get equal. Answer is 1 by 12 into log of 3x minus 2 into 3x plus 2. You can solve the remaining problem, that is 1, x square coefficient is 16 common cheyandi, 16 1 by 16 into x square minus 9 by 16, 9 by 16 can be written as 3 by 4, where a value 3 by 4. Substitute the a value in above formula, you will get the answer.